Hello again everyone, Mr. Mankey here with another tech tip lesson. This lesson is about bookmarks. It's how we're going to create and organize bookmarks in our Google Chrome web browser. We're going to do this so that we can always get to important web pages. So we save them to the bookmarks, they're always there, you can always click back into them, and it's a great way to stay organized and keep those important links in a spot where we'll always know where to find them. So to do this, let's go ahead and enter our Chrome browser. Right now I'm going to show you guys a little bit about Khan Academy, how to save that web page, which will be where a lot of our practice problems are located, so you're going to want to be able to find that. And also Edpuzzle, where some of our direct instruction will come from during our lessons throughout the year. So in order to get into this, I'm going to first go ahead and go to these three dots in the top right of your browser, because I already have my bookmark bar visible. You see I have my Google Classroom linked, and then there's an apps section, but a lot of you might not have this right away. So in order to make sure that bookmark bar is there, I'm going to click these three dots. I'm going to go down to Bookmarks, and you're going to want to make sure that this Show Bookmarks bar is checked. Because watch the Google Classroom up here when I uncheck this. My bookmark bar disappeared. And we don't want that because it makes it hard to find our bookmarks. So I'm going to go three dots in the top right, Bookmarks, click Show Bookmarks bar. Also, we're going to be making lots of bookmarks. You're going to want bookmarks for all your different classes. So for your math classes, your science classes, whatever classes you're taking, you're going to have important links that you're going to go to frequently for them. And in order for us to stay organized and be able to get where we need to go in a timely manner, we're going to want to organize our bookmarks into folders. Similar to our desktop folders we just worked with, I go to Bookmarks and I go to Bookmark Manager. In here, just like on our desktop, I can right click, add new folder. I'm going to call this Math. And you could call it Math, you could call it Algebra 2, you could call it Calculus, whatever class you're in, however specific you want to be. And I can save it. So now I have my Math folder. So that's been created here in this Bookmarks page. Now I'm going to go to my Khan Academy where I'm already logged in under Courses. I went to Algebra 2 because that's the course I'm pretending that I'm taking right now. So this is where a lot of the practice will be. It's broken up into the different units and topics that are covered in Algebra 2. So I definitely want to come here often to be practicing to make sure I am learning the material and getting extra practice in and really understanding what's going on. So I'm going to be coming back to this website a lot because I'll sometimes do, complex numbers, and I might do polynomial division. Different topics that are going to be covered, but they're all on the same page, so I'm going to be coming here often. So to bookmark it, I click the little star in the top right. And you get to choose how you name these. So notice it was all highlighted at first. I just like Khan Academy, and I'm going to get rid of this dashboard, because I know this is the page I want in Khan Academy. And then it says folder, I'm going to put it in my math folder. So I hit that little drop down and I selected Math. If you want it in the Bookmarks bar, you can choose Bookmarks bar, but I want it in my Math folder, which is already in my bar, as you can see up here. And then I hit Done. Now if I click on my Math bookmark, Khan Academy is right there. But I'm not done yet. I also want Edpuzzle to be saved into my Math folder on my Bookmarks bar. So I'm on the home page right now. I'm going to go to my DSST Cole High School for my personalized lessons. And I already typed this in, but I'll go Algebra 2, and I'll search it. So in the Math department, it is searching for Algebra 2, and it comes up with all these great Edpuzzle modules. Oh, sweet. So this is where I'm going to want to be coming back frequently to follow along with the different modules in class while we're all working together. And so I'm going to bookmark it, just like I did before. Choose the bookmarks. I'll call it Edpuzzle, and I'll say Well, I know it's going to be math, but I'll get specific and call it Algebra 2, just so I really know what's going on here. And I'm going to save it. It's already ready to go to my math folder. Click Done. Now when I search math in the bookmark bar, I already have these two, and I can keep adding to it. Maybe you guys have already made bookmarks and you got a bunch of them but they're not organized. If that's the case, you can just click on that bookmark and you can drag it into folders if you would like from there. So that is, and you can drag them around, you can just put them back where they belong if you didn't mean to do it or something. So that is the bookmarks lesson. Really important for staying organized and being able to quickly access all the web pages that you'll be frequently using.